InfoWatch now testing new drugs outside the human body.
WGN medical reporter Dina Bayer has more on a local invention that may help speed up the process.
New drug development starts in a lab, then moves to animal and ultimately human models. Now, scientists thinking outside the box want to add an extra safety step inside a box designed to mimic the human organ system.
This is basically a box that's not much bigger than a shoebox.
Think of it as a tiny human body.
This is the closest thing you can do to recreate the human body outside of the human body.
Called the Lattice, Northwestern medicine researchers developed the system to test experimental drugs on a variety of organs after animal studies and ahead of human clinical trials.
So many of the drugs that are tested in animals that have succeeded move on to clinical phase 1 trials to look at toxicity. But an animal is an animal. And what we need is representation of human tissues.
Unlike a traditional petri dish that allows scientists to experiment with one cell type, the new device can be filled with 8 human organ tissue samples, all linked by a special fluid that simulates blood, just like inside the body.
Kind of like if you think of the blood system, how it delivers nutrients to each of the organs and then takes away the waste. That is the concept that we're trying to build here.
The fluid flows between the chambers and can carry a new medication along the way. The research team then tracks how the different organ samples respond.
If you know that the liver metabolizes the drug, you want to know whether those metabolites are safe or not in the human. And so we would put a liver in this chip along with some of the other tissues.
Dr. Julie Kim and her colleagues also use the device, which can run for up to 28 days, to study disease risk factors. On the day of our visit, they loaded Lattice with fat cells to see how they might impact the growth of endometrial cancer.
Cancer takes a long time to develop, but if we were to catch some of those early events or early mutations, etc., then we can start studying all the early changes that occur. We are just one lab, but we're hoping that other labs or research labs are able to adopt it and use it and find new discoveries.
The researchers also use the device to look at how different drugs behave in men and women, a critical component of safety testing, as some drugs are toxic in one sex and not the other. Back to you.